Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to remove card on Temu. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to remove a credit or debit card from your Temu, all you gotta do is simply navigate to your accounts. So once you tap on your account settings, you will end up in this kind of interface. So from here, you need to simply select the option called your payment methods. So once you have located that as well, you can simply find the card that you have kept in. So there you can find an option called remove. Simply tap on that remove option and tap on delete this card. Once you tap on delete this card, you will be able to remove that particular card on Temu by giving them a reason as well. So this is how you simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting and updating videos like this. So don't forget to tune in and stay updated with us. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.